Every morning at 7, this workflow reads the front page of Hacker News, hands it to the AI running on my laptop, and writes me a 5-point briefing. No API key, no subscription, and nothing leaves this machine. That is an AI agent, and you can build this exact one in the next 3 minutes. Everyone is selling AI agents right now, and the pitch is always the same. Another dashboard, another monthly fee, and your data flowing through somebody else's cloud. Strip the buzzword away and an agent is just 3 things: a trigger, a source of information, and a model that does something with it. You already have all 3. If you followed the last video, you are already set up. n8n running in Docker and Llama serving a local model. If not, both install in one command each. Those videos are linked below. Here is my machine, n8n answering on port 5678 and Ollama with Llama 3.1 on the list. The whole agent is 4 nodes, and the first is a schedule trigger. Mine fires at 7 in the morning every day, but this could be every hour or every Monday, whatever the job needs. This is what makes it an agent instead of a chatbot. Nobody has to click anything. The second node reads the Hacker News front page over RSS. RSS is free, it is public, and it needs no account and no API key. Run just this node and you can see exactly what it pulled: 10 real headlines, straight off the front page. The third node is a few lines of code that fold those headlines into one prompt. And the fourth sends it to Ollama on port 11434. The same local API from the earlier videos, asking Llama 3.1 for a 5-bullet briefing. One detail worth copying: the context limit in the options. On an 8 GB GPU, that setting is the difference between fast and crawling. Click execute and watch it go end to end. The feed comes in, the prompt gets built, and the briefing comes back from the model in under 10 seconds on my machine. Then hit publish. An n8n scheduler takes over. Every run is logged in the executions list, whether you were at the keyboard or asleep. Now the honest part. This runs on your machine, so your machine has to be on at 7 a.m. A desktop or a home server is the natural fit. A laptop in a backpack is not. And an 8 billion parameter model is an intern, not an analyst. It summarizes well, but check anything you plan to act on. The win here is the price and the privacy, not magic. 3 takeaways. 1. An agent is a trigger, a source, and a model, 4 nodes, all free. 2. RSS is the cheapest data source on the internet, no key, no quota, and you can swap in any feed you care about. 3. A schedule plus a local model means running it forever costs $0. Build one briefing you would actually want to wake up to and reply with what feed you used. I read every comment. If this was useful, subscribe. Next video. Zapier is overpriced, the same automation, self-hosted for $0 a month.